Okay, hello, good morning. So today I'll be showing you how to download your PixelLab on your PC. So the first step, you head to your Chrome, then you tap on your search for BlueStack. Yeah, this is your BlueStack. Then you download BlueStack on your PC. Install it on your PC. Yes, this is BlueStack. Just search for download. This is download. Then you download it on your PC. I have downloaded it on mine already. It is already downloaded on mine. So you click on this download, then you download it on your PC. Then you allow it to install to the BlueStack on your PC surface. Then you open it. You tap on the BlueStack. You open it. Then it will show to come up like this. This is the home page of BlueStack. You sign your Google, it comes up like this. Then you head over to this place. You can see this place now. It has system app. You can see this system app here. Head over to that place. Then when you open it, you will see your Play Store here. Open your Play Store. You search for PixelLab. This is my PixelLab here. Then this is your PixelLab. It's already installed on my PC. As you can see, it's already installed. Then you open it. You installed it. Then I like to install. Then you open it. Immediately it comes over to this place. So when you go to your home page, if you look at this place now, let me show you from this place now. If you look at this place, all the app that you have installed from your BlueStack. You can install Android app. By downloading BlueStack, you can install Android app on your PC easily. If you want to install Pinterest too, same, just go ahead to your system app and go to your Play Store, search for Pinterest. Let's search for Pinterest now. Let's search for Pinterest. You can see this is your Pinterest. Install. Tap on install, then it will be installed. Then you come to this place. It will appear here when you install it. It will appear here. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.